guys, I've got another van tour, and it is a Chrysler minivan. And if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that Ray is on my channel and he's got a channel, so make sure that you go check out his channel. But here is Ray Crum. Hey Ray!
Hi, Suzy.
What is the year of this Chrysler Town and Country?
2011 Town and Country Touring.
Okay. So it's a touring one. All right. And then you said you had some safety stuff that you wanted to explain.
Yeah, this is kind of how well, right now this is kind of all new because I haven't really had shore power, basically. But I have this emergency kit for if you need to charge your battery. Your car doesn't start. It's very inexpensive, but it's a great tool to have. This one's like 3,000 watts, and it really, I got a great deal on Amazon for it. Charging cable, and it all fits in this little case.
And so if you need to hook it up to the battery, it's got the battery cables in there.
Hook it up the battery to jump your battery.
And you could probably charge your phone. Can you charge your phone off from that? USB and
that
USB-C.
That charges the unit, and then you got the USB out.
Nice,
and
nice.
a flashlight.
Nice.
And then here's where you...
For a motorcycle?
You plug in the battery cable there.
Oh, okay.
Some of these actually have a tire inflator too, but I prefer not to have that.
All right.
There's other ways. I have another thing. But anyway, I'm not going to zip it up. Can I keep this? And this particular model of car, this is more advised to keep it up close in the front seat because this car only has one key and one key knob with a keyhole, which is your front thing. So you can't open any doors or anything like that if the battery's dead.
Gotcha.
So you use the key to open the door, get this. Once you hook up this, you got power everywhere.
All right.
Okay, so
all right.
That's that.
So Ray, how many trips have you made in this van so far?
Oh, numerous.
Okay.
Numerous. 8 trips to California. One of those included going all the way down to Mexico, traveling up the Pacific coast, up to California.
In this van?
In this van.
See you guys, check it out.
Through Vegas, over the Rockies, and then back home to Ohio.
Awesome. And you're stationed, you've got a home base, so you're part-time, right?
Right.
So you have a home base in Ohio?
Ohio, right.
Alrighty.
So,
alright.
So it's been a real workhorse for me in all these years. I got it in 2012.
Okay.
So it was only like a year old.
Okay.
And I'm thinking of getting something soon, but as long as it's running, no
hey,
in it.
There you go. Get all of what you can get out of it.
It was basically for, and up until recently, a 7-passenger van.
Uh-huh.
Until I got a brainstorm, and I said I'm going to make it a 3-passenger van with a bed.
There you go.
And it works for me. Not perfect, but it works for a weekend trip.
So if you're just part-timing, great van. How is it on gas?
Oh, excellent. If I got a tailwind and pretty much level ground, I can get 33 miles per gallon.
Okay.
But normally it's about 27, 28.
27, 28. All right. And Ray's travel buddy is Diego, and he's a cutie. Let's see if we can pet him. You gonna let me pet you? Yeah? Yeah, you're a cutie. Ray has his food and everything, and so Diego gets to stay outside and enjoy the outside.
This basically is like my toolbox area. Underneath here, everything's in there for tools, basically. Not that I need the tools, but...
Always prepared.
Always have, you know, gallons of water will fit down underneath behind the suitcase.
Okay.
Okay. And this is just water for washing dishes or whatever.
Yep.
So basically what we got here with the tools, we got this for the nighttime
Yep.
and charging stuff. My light, got a light for
Yep.
power up here. Now this is just basically emergency stuff. This is like a power drill,
Yep.
screwdriver. And, so you keep all these things under here.
So this is basically your garage area. Got
One
it.
of them.
All right.
So I got like
Tablecloths.
well, this could be used for a blind type of thing.
Oh yeah, for a
Plastic
curtain.
range.
Yep.
So this is one of my toolboxes here. I don't zipper them because it's easier just to get in there and
Yep.
get tools, stuff like that.
Okay.
And fishing tackles, sanders. I have a
He's just ready to go to work. That's
first
what
aid
he's ready.
kit, another tarp. So this is basically my tool storage and stuff like that.
Yep, your garage, just like what I have.
So that's kind of how that works. Now this is kind of the setup I normally try to have. Suitcase underneath. And this is my filing cabinet where I keep everything. Show you that. So in here, this is that thing I told you about, too nice to get rid of. I got my toiletries, medicines, snacks, dog food, CDs. This is where everything goes. Documents, papers, everything's in here. And
Hey, I need one of them.
those. So everything you see goes in here.
Yeah.
Tripod. I need to keep something cold. This is a little bag of knick-knack.
Yeah, little
that I
extra
need.
office supply
Everything
stuff.
comes
Yep.
out handy.
Yep.
Tambourines, maracas. Everything's in there. And
Good.
so if I go into a hotel room, you know, I can take this into the room. It's got everything I need.
Yep.
Pull the suitcase in, and I'm set. So this is one of my stickers. This is for you.
All right. Well, Ray, I'm going to only take one because that's all I need for my
Okay.
book. Go check out his channel.
Okay, so
He's busy putting all kinds of stuff up on that channel.
I'm going to put this. Hopefully it stays here. It's under here. I keep my
More
water.
storage. Yep.
So I just grab it. There's plenty of storage over there. Normally I put a couple gallons of water.
Okay.
I got these fire logs on sale. Found a place for them. They worked great last night,
Yeah.
but there's too much resin smoke. If you've got a lung problem, be careful.
All right.
So you see that?
And then this is your bed. It's just a platform bed.
So I made a platform for it. I'll show you on this
Simple.
side. But you see, I try to keep minimalist.
Yeah.
I use a down comforter,
All right.
and in the morning I just stuff it in the bag, pull it out at night, and it stays cleaner as possible. Like tools, light testers, and meters,
Yep.
stuff that you. Number 2. Here. What I keep here, this is my camp stove, gas, propane, and then just a waste basket.
More water.
Underneath it, I put all my dirty clothes in it.
There you go.
That's, you know, as it gets filled, that goes up.
Then there's the spare tire I see.
And there's the spare tire, another gallon of water there. Now, this tire, all you really have to do to get it out is somebody lifts here, you brace it up, and then this thing will fold up,
Right.
and the tire comes out this way. Very minimal effort to get it out of there. And there's made that bed from. I just rebuilt it again. Underneath I got antifreeze, oil.
All your supplies. Gotcha. How tall are you, Ray?
5'7".
5'7", and he sleeps comfortable in this minivan. Again, I love to showcase whatever you're driving, you can make it into a camper. Prime example here. Ray is doing it, and his
Well, I got other
Chrysler.
Things, you know, if you ever need to clamp something with a tarp or something.
And he's definitely got lots of tools, and he is ready to hit the road.
Digital radio, which is really nice.
And there's the most important thing, Diego's bed when they're in travel. He's priority.
And the cooler, once I change suitcases, will be fitting back in the back.
Gotcha.
So there you can hear. This is what that is. There's my toiletry buckets if needed.
All right.
Emergency stuff.
Emergencies, always good to have on hand.
Here.
So you can just sit in here and chill if you want to relax for a day out of the rain.
That's my portable kitchen. I can take everything out right here, and
Yeah, I seen you out here cooking the other day, so.
everything's there. So
Yeah?
I grab the stove on one side, take this out on the other, and pretty much ready to go.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Ray, for showing me around your home away from home. And again, if you guys have any questions or comments, Ray is faithfully on my channel. So any comments, or if you come to my live, you can ask him personally or go hop over to his channel. It is
Raymond's Porch Views.
There you go. Go check him out. Thanks for watching, guys.